Hello, welcome all. Today we are going to learn that how we read images in OpenCV, and we also learn that how we read videos and uh, also connect webcam using Python OpenCV. So let's get started. So our first step is to install library. So we can go to the browser and search pip install OpenCV and copy it from here, and simply we can install it through paste here and press enter. So it is simply installed in our um, IDE, and now we are going to import CV2. Sorry, my bad. So let's get started. Our first step is to import CV2, and next is to we are going to load our image. So we can write image is equal to cv2 dot imread, and all we have to do is give the strings and add the quotations into the strings, and here we add our path, uh, which is which image we want to show. So first of all, we can simply from here we can simply search the folder. So folder is on desktop. Name is OpenCV. So here are the resources in which we have the pictures and videos. So first of all, we would add the look path and location resources slash. Here is the picture of book.jpg. So we can write book.jpg. So here we can assign our path. The next step is to show our image. So we can simply write cv2 dot imshow into use the quotations and name of our file image, comma, type is image. So after that we can write cv2 dot wait key. Wait key is used for Windows delay, so we can press enter, and Windows delay we can add 0. so we can print it. First of all, we need to save this file. Save it as image test.py, and we can save it in the same folder where our images are located and videos are located. We can save it, and now we can run it from here. So here our image is showed. The image of book is showed. We can commit it first. So to commit the paragraph, we can select the paragraph and press Ctrl 4. So from here we can commit it, and we can move to our next step, which is uh, which is to connect video. So first of all, we are using the same library of CV2, which is imported. So the next is to allocate the frame width and height. So frame width is 640 and frame height sorry 360. We are using a frame of video which have 640 by 360. Now we can add the video path. So we can write cap is equal to cv2 dot video capture use double quotation to allocate the path. The path is resources slash here we have the two videos, test video.mp4 and video.mp4. We are here we are using test video.mp4. .mp4. So the next step is we need to do is we need to declare a loop which we can read each frame. So we will say while true enter success comma image is equal to cap.read. Enter. After that So in this step, now what it done is it reads from this cap and stores it into the image. So our next step is to show the video cv2 dot I'm show video comma image. After that we'll make a condition to stop the loop. If we are not using this condition, the loop is repeated again and again. So to stop this loop, we use if cv2 dot wait key we are using wait key 1 and to terminate the window we can use this statement is equal to hold q. And here we can write break. So if we can press q, then our loop is break and process is stop. So now we can run our code, and here now the second step is successfully completed. Now we can copy it, and after that we can comment it, and now we are connect the camera. We can paste the same code here, and just we need is our need is to remove the name of path location, and we can add 0 here because the default camera is 0, and if we are using two cameras we can write here 1, and we can also use multiple cameras. So we can cap is equal to cv2 dot video capture into 0, but we didn't define any parameter for this. We have frame width and height, but we didn't use it for camera, so we can use it. So what we are going to do, we are going to define width and height for camera. So how we can do that? We can simply add it after camera. We can write cap dot set to 3 comma frame width. Sorry, my bad. 3 . comma frame width, and after that cap dot set to 4 comma frame height. Three and four are the numbers as OpenCV default, in which three is used for width and four is used for height. So after that, we can use the parameter of default camera. We are just used default setting for camera, which is 640 by 480. So now we can simply run this code to access the camera. So after a little bit wait, here camera is accessed. Now if you want to know what each function requires as input argument, if you can press Ctrl plus press left click, then it will show you extra information. What function do we can check it from here? So we can click Control. Here we can click the toolbar, and here it is showing us all the information about this argument, frame weight, and all its information, and also it shows the extra information below here, and you can also search all the information which you need. And if you are not familiar that what function do, we can check it from here. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for upcoming videos.